30 lakh rupees. That's the on-road price of the beast standing behind me. Mahindra Thar Rocks AX7L stealth black color, fully loaded. जैसा कि आप सब देख पा रहे हो. But what if I tell you you can co-own this exact car in just 2.5 lakh rupees. No EMI, no down payment, कोई भी extra trick नहीं. Legally अपने नाम पे co-ownership ले सकते हो आप. Sounds impossible, right? Watch this video till end, क्योंकि आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको exactly बताने वाला हूँ कि how you can do the same. So बिना टाइम को वेस्ट किए, let's start the video right now. तो सामने खड़ी है Thar Rocks AX7L in stealth black. And let me tell you, pictures do not do justice to this color. लेकिन जब ये गाड़ी धूप में खड़ी होती है ना, तो क्या गजब चमकती है भाई, मजा आ जाता है. It's deep, it's aggressive. फ्रंट से शुरू करते हैं. The grille is all black, perfectly matching the stealth theme. You get projected LED headlamps with surrounding DRLs that wrapped around beautifully. LED fog lamp sits lower in the bumper, and the bumper itself is a proper chunky unit, dual tone, black and grey, giving it that bold SUV stance. There is a 360-degree camera up front, and this top model also comes with level 2 ADAS, which means camera plus radar for safety features like forward collision warning, lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. And that's not something you expect in this segment. Side profile की बात करें तो Thar के DNA really में दिखता है. You get 19-inch alloy wheels with proper beefy tires, black body cladding running around the bottom, power antenna, body colored ORVM with integrated turn indicators and a side camera for that 360-degree view. The silhouette is unmistakably Thar, but stretched, more proportional and more planted. And the ground clearance, oh my god. It's 226 mm. This thing can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Moving to the rear part, you get those signature Thar tail lamps, LED units with reverse and brake lights. The spare tire sits on the tailgate with a camera cleverly mounted on it. Boot space is around 644 liters, and if you fold the rear seats, you're looking at well 600 plus liters of usable cargo area. But the real magic starts when you sit inside. Now let's talk about interior and features. Open the door and the first thing you notice is the dual tone cabin. Dark black on top, lighter shade below, full leatherette finish everywhere. It feels premium, it feels expensive because it is. Driver seat electrically adjustable है. आपको ventilated seat मिल जाती है जो भाई गर्मियों में वरदान है. And steering की बात करें तो बहुत अच्छे से leather wrap किया हुआ है and genuinely one of the best feeling steering wheels in this price range. Now let's talk about the centerpiece. A 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Android Auto support, full connectivity suite, and the sound system, Harman Kardon, 9 speakers. The audio quality in this cabin is genuinely impressive for a SUV in this category. And just आपके सर के ऊपर एक बहुत ही massive panoramic sunroof है जो पूरी तरीके से खुल जाता है और entire cabin बहुत अच्छा लगता है. The auto dimming IRVM, ambient lighting, digital instrument cluster, and everything comes together to create this cockpit feel that makes you forget that you are sitting in a Thar. 6 airbags, electronic stability program, TPMS, hill descent control, electronic parking brake with auto hold. The safety package on this thing is seriously stacked. Rear passengers get AC vents, Type-C charging, adjustable headrest, reclining seats, and a flat floor. 3 adults can sit comfortably at the back. Headroom with that sunroof, not a problem at all. And मैं आपको genuinely बताऊं तो ये 30 लाख का on-road experience है and every single detail screams that. Under the hood sits a 2184cc 4-cylinder MWAC diesel engine pushing out 150 bhp of power and 330 Nm of torque, paired with an automatic transmission and a proper 4-wheel drive system. This is not a show car. This is a go-anywhere machine. सिटी में ड्राइव करो, द स्टीयरिंग इज वेरी लाइट, मजा आ गया. एंड इसका जब गियर बॉक्स शिफ्ट होता है वो बहुत स्मूथ है, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. एंड द राइड क्वालिटी इज जेन्युइनली सरप्राइजिंग. द थार रॉक सिट्स ऑन अ न्यू जनरेशन लैडर ऑन फ्रेम प्लेटफॉर्म that Mahindra invested heavily in. It's lighter, more refined, and the difference you feel over the old 3-door Thar is night and day. Highway पे this car cruise with confidence. There's no unnecessary bounce, no nervousness at high speeds. The ADAS kicks it with adaptive cruise control and you can genuinely relax on long drives. And when you go off-road, that's where this car comes alive. 4x4 with low range, electronic locking differential, hill descent control, and a new feature called IntelliTurn Assist that locks the rear inner wheel during tight off-road turn to reduce your turning radius. 226 mm ground clearance means you are climbing over obstacles That would stop most SUVs dead. Certified mileage sits at 15.2 km per liter, which for a 4-wheel drive diesel SUV of this size and power is very respectable. ये गाड़ी एक complete package है. Luxury, performance, off-road capability, safety, everything is one machine. अब तक तो तुम्हें ये गाड़ी चाहिए feel हो चुका होगा. But 30 lakh on road, यही तो problem है. यह है 30 lakh. Let's talk real. 30 lakh rupees on road. EMI of roughly 50,000 a month for years. Insurance premium. Servicing cost premium. The car was built for people who love driving, who love experiences, who love turning heads. But the financial commitment of full ownership, that keeps most people away. But what if there was a smarter way? A way where you don't take a loan, you don't pay EMI. You still legally co-own this exact car. Welcome to ProRata, India's first fractional car co-ownership platform, featured on Shark Tank India Season 3. Here's how it works. Simple boss. We divide one car into 12 tickets of co-ownership. One ticket equals 8.33% of ownership. That one ticket gives you 30 days of usage per year, which you can split however you want. A weekend getaway in February, a road trip in May, a birthday celebration in October, totally flexible. And this continue for 30 days times 5 years equals to 150 days of co-ownership and uses. Time payment, no loan, no EMI. Apart from this, you will get end-to-end support on first, service and maintenance. Periodic servicing, tire changes, battery health, everything is taken care of. Second, insurance. Full bumper-to-bumper coverage, scratches, dents, accidents, completely insured. Third, pick and drop service. Every time you reserve the car on ProRata app, our driver brings it to your doorstep at just 40,000 rupees as an annual maintenance cost. All cars on the platform are brand new and white plated. No logos, no stickers. Because you co-own the car, we are the asset management company that manages everything for 5 years. After 5 years, we resell the car through a transparent bidding process. You, your co-owners, dealers, everyone can bid. Highest bid wins, car is sold, and you get your share of the resale value back, and zero commission from our side on resale. We form groups of 4 to 12 co-owners within a radius of 10 to 20 km. The car stays nearby. Weekends and holidays are equally distributed through our smart reservation system. Everything is real time in the app. First come, first served. The entire co-ownership structure is through an LLP, a limited liability partnership, where all the co-owners are listed legally. Complete documentation, background verification, proper agreements, everything is transparent, everything is legal. तो यही है smart way of co-owning your dream car. सपने देखना बंद करो and do something about it. Download the ProRata app right now from the App Store or Google Play Store. Select your city and pay just 2,500 rupees as a fully refundable booking amount. The link is in the description. And if you have any questions, call us directly. The number is right here. At just 40,000 rupees as an annual maintenance cost.